bean, knock your legs off.
What's good, family? Welcome back to Jerry Tries Trading. It's Thursday, 1:57 p.m., about an hour after the close. Went for my little walk, listened to a chapter of Trading in the Zone. Good day, man. Good day. The goal today was to stop the bleeding, and that's what we did. Are we rich? No. But we put together a little green day. So super excited about that. It's basically Friday for us. So good way to end the week. You know what I mean? I told you guys I'm taking actionable steps to make sure I stay disciplined. And I counted, 23 tickers right here that I put through the little checklist that we're talking about. And if they weren't if they weren't looking good, then we weren't taking them. I took that was a swing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to get into the Trader Sync right now, but as far as what I have on the paper here, I took 5 trades. Thank you guys for being here. Let's get into it. Bam, a little green day. I told you, it's not much. It's not much. But, I could afford a little meal, a little happy meal. Hopefully it comes with a toy, then I'll flip it, make $5 off that. It's a win-win. Anyway, 62% win rate. Obviously, we want 70 plus. A little $70. Profit factor's looking nice, I'm winning 4 times as much as I'm losing, so that's a good look right there. And every single one of these went through the ringer except KHC was a swing. Closed that right in the morning. I wasn't playing around. And then JP closed that right in the morning. So 2 little base hits to start the day. 1 to the long side, 1 to the short side. That's a good feeling right there. At some point the options were worth a little bit more, but damn, the volume's so large and the bid-ask spreads are, moving all over the place. So I had to get in where I fit in and got filled here. So nice little 3-4% returns on those little swings, and let's get into the market real quick. Look at this. Well, wishy-washy. But you know what? It's none of my concern. Whatever it's showing me, I gotta see what it's giving me, and I'll find my opportunities and take those. You know what I mean? I don't need to be guessing that much. Put together a thesis and stick with it. But anyways, big red day, close below the SMA. I'm not gonna assume that we're bearish because we might just get another green day on Monday or whatever. But and I'm just reading this stuff to kind of get try to be better at reading price action. You know what I mean? I might be wrong, might be right. You let me know. Buyers in control in the morning. Get a little rally or consolidation. Lots of wicks. Really just chop. Don't want to read too much into it. But we did defend low a day. Then sellers came back. Test low a day. A buyer said no. And then bam. Well, I don't even know. Did sellers really come in? Nah, because we just drifted lower with tiny little red candles. So not really a strong trend. Just kind of chop, you know what I mean? But definitely to the downside. And then I felt like right here in this region, this was some good buying right here. And I actually took a long up here, but I was obviously wrong. So, I took a short. I forgot. We'll get into it. But then sellers came back, and we just made a new low of the day. You know what I mean? So lower highs, lower lows, bearish day. But it's weird because I was finding mostly longs to trade. They're sticking out like a sore thumb. And the weak stocks, I think it was BAC I took, started drifting higher when I got in. And, based on that, I had to exit. But that was pretty much the market today. Let's get into a couple of these trades. So, CAT. This was my biggest trade of the day. I could have took more, but I'm not concerned with that. My job is to take the best trades that I see and get some money out of it. And try to see what my exit signals are. But all of these trades went through the little checklist manually. Cat was 10 out of 12 of the check marks. Damn, I didn't write down what it didn't have. It might not have had the daily HA candles. Yeah, I considered it not in a HA trend on the D1. Let's see if I could. Here we go. This is the D1 on an HA basis. If it doesn't have two flat bottoms, I'm not even considering it in a trend. You know what I mean? But it may be a continuation. So we'll see about that. And there's definitely some buying in here. So damn, I got some black pepper up in my throat, dog. So that was Cat. I got in I was only in it for like 15 minutes, and it moved quick. And I wanted to take my profit, so I got in at 12.23 right here in this strong ass bar, showing me strength, making a new high of the day while SPY was going down. Bam, I love it. And then 10, 15, 5, 10, 15. So I got out right here, and I'm not sure if I thought we were gonna get a bearish stochastic cross, or maybe it was just I saw a red bar forming. But either way, I knew the market was, in a downtrend right here. So I didn't want to test my luck and see, is this stock really that strong? So I took my profit, man. 55, that's 10% return in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take that, and it's a good thing, Its stock ended up pulling back. And then with SPY, when SPY turned back up, had another leg. I did not take any other moves on this, I didn't want an old flame to burn me twice, you know what I mean? So stayed out of that. That was my biggest trade of the day. So happy with that. 15 minutes. Oh, and I guess, breakout on the daily above this horizontal resistance. A lot of compression right here. So a lot of strength came in. Increased volume, a bunch of reasons that it's a good trade. And this was all despite, SPY going down. So that was pretty much the pick of the day. And then I traded BTU twice. This has been on the list. I love it. And I'm trading small size. Forgive me. I just want to take it easy. You know what I mean? Been getting slapped around. Let's take it easy. See what we could get. And I feel like I put together some good trades on BTU. I put all these levels. It's just been breaking out. I think up here we might be a little bit, extended from the 8 EMA. So we got to be careful now, because I've gotten caught up here. You know what I mean? So we'll probably try to wait for a pullback unless it really gives us a reason to believe it's strong as shit. But you can see my entries and exits. 25 shares at 31.07. Exited up here on this bearish stochastic cross. And what is that? Like 30 cents? 40 cents? 39 cents? I'm cool with that. If that's 100 shares, that's 39 bucks. If that's 1,000 shares, that's 390 bucks. And then I guess if you really want to critique it, I could have waited for that 8 EMA crossover. You know what I mean? I would have got out over here. But I would have, what is that? I guess I would have took more of the move. But I would have took 10 cents less. So, this was more of a feeling kind of thing. The stochastic was about to cross. And I said, I'm good. Plus, look at SPY. SPY turned over right here. And BTU was hella strong, man. But I wanted to take my gains. I was in the trade I was in that one for an hour. Then I traded again for 30 minutes over here. So after, chop, bam, regained the 8 EMA. And then I took a quick little move right here. And that was just I took 15 cents off of that. So small share size. So it looks like, you made $4. But like I said, whatever the market's giving me, I'm about to take that. And if it keeps going without me, that's fine. If I avoid a huge loss, that's fine. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm on right now. Just trying to get my mind right. Hashtag trading in the zone, you know? So that was BTU. And then, like I said, it was weird. There was easier stocks to find to the long side than the short side, but let's see, or was I long? I was long on AAL. This is an airline, American Airlines. At the time, you know, we broke out through this daily level, and I like that. I was bullish on it. On the little checklist, I was pretty confident in this trade. This one checked 11 out of 12 check boxes, and you know, I had my alert, and my stop loss was gonna be down here at 1875 actually, so I gave it more room. It was actually by the SMA, but the price action on it was just telling me no need to wait, and you know, I'm okay with this. A 32 cent loss on small size. It didn't rally with SPY, which is kind of what made me get out at all. You know, SPY was putting up nice green ones right here, and we were putting up red candles, so I got out. Nice technical reason to exit. Wasn't, you know, guessing or nothing like that. That's my decision, and I'm sticking with it. You know what I mean? No matter what happens after. So that was one of my losses. Nothing crazy. Lost $8 on that one. Did the checklist. Everything checked out. It just didn't work out, you know. Then I took BAC. Financial sector was weak. Looks like this one would have ended up working, but the daily break of this horizontal support right here, I love it. This one checkboxed 11 out of 12 as well. One of my most confident plays here, but I think it was at the wrong market time. Let's see, what time did I get in? 13:42, right down here. It actually, because right here, SPY's going up, stock's still going down, relatively weak. This stochastic right here should have been a little hint that maybe I should be patient. But I got in because of the 11 out of 12 check marks, but my entry was off. You know, market misread. Caught a bid, ended up gaining strength. So, and then it gave it all back in one candle at the end of the day. But do I want to sit through this? Could have been patient with it. It did check 11 boxes. Could be a mistake right here. Could be a mistake. But you know, after this buying right here, I wasn't sure if SPY was gonna come up and make a doji again. So just a market misplay, market misread. Could have gave this more room, definitely. And we'll have to see on Monday what it does. And that's pretty much all my trades for the day. I have 10 trades, so it feels like it was over trading, but I felt confident in what I was doing, so that's a good feeling. And then I'm swinging a couple longs. You know, the market's just flailing around any which way, but this was also in Pete's video. He was mentioning it. I don't know where the algo line is that he's talking about, but I like the break of the SMA. I like the break of this horizontal resistance, and it closed above it, so that's bullish, and it's on, you know, decent volume. And look at the 5 minute. You know, SPY was like, you know, bleeding up, and stock was pretty damn strong. And it did pull back, lost a bit of strength in here, but then bam, any bit of market tailwind, and it was off to the races. And then right here, SPY was dropping pretty heavily, stock maintained, you know what I mean? Just went sideways. So a lot of strength in here. I'm looking for some follow through on Monday. And, you know, I was patient with it because I think this went against me almost right away. So let's see, I got in at 1404. So right up here at the top, or in this candle right here, lots of strength, about to break high of the day. And once these candles came, I was like, yep, got this one right. Target hit 11 out of 12 of the markers for me. The only one that it didn't hit was the daily HA. Like I said, you know, I want 2 flat bottoms, and that's just how I'm gonna consider it. You know what I mean? This is, you could probably say this is an HA trend, but just to be even more conservative, you know what I mean? So that I'm swinging that price target. I'm thinking like 239 region. Depends on the price action. Maybe I'll just take it in the morning like usual. So there's that one, and then I really like KBR. This one also hit 11 out of 12 of the markers. The only thing we need is a HA candle on the D1 to make it 12 out of 12. So, and obviously it's consolidating here, so you can't really build a trend here. But I like the breakout, closed above the breakout level, broke out of consolidation, and then look at this. SPY down, stock up, 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 SPY down, stock higher even more. So, man, if we have a killer day in SPY as far as the bullish action, I expect this one to go. And if not, this one has some strength in it to do the lifting on its own. So, swinging KBR and targets. Nothing to the short side. Didn't really want to put extra risk on. You know what I mean? We were just talking about that. So, that was the goal, guys. Stop the bleeding. End the week with a little green day. I can't complain, man. I'm feeling lit. You know, new viewers to the channel might be like, what the hell I'm gonna do with $70? But hey, man, I lost 500 the other day. So, and what did you make? You know what I mean? So that's how we're gonna conclude this video. I'm gonna keep listening to Trading in the Zone. I got a few more chapters on it. Doing this was, I think it was helpful. At sometimes I felt like, man, this is BS. You know what I mean? I already know this shit, but it really made it kind of manual and more technical. You know, I gotta get through this before I even take it. And it not only does it give me more time to think about it, it helps me be patient too. Because while I'm doing the checklist, it gets to play out more on the screen. So I'm gonna keep working on that. As for now, I'm gonna go kick it on the couch, come back later, do some research. But I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend. If you do the Easter thing, happy Easter, Good Friday, you know what I mean? Go eat your meat up. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You know I love chopping it up with you guys. Did you guys keep it green? And, you know, keep it spicy this weekend. See ya.